So next we have this question number 29, that is, consider the following reaction involving two acids shown below, that is formic acid and HF. So we have been given this reaction, that is potassium fluoride is given plus formic acid. These two react with each other to form potassium formate and HF. And we have been given these pK values for both of the acids, that is formic acid and this HF, hydrofluoric acid. So if we see these pK values, so as you know already that this pKa, it is equal to the minus log of this pKa is equal to minus log of Ka, which means if we have higher pK value, it will have lower Ka value, because higher pK means this Ka will have lower value and negative sign is also already placed before this minus, that is minus log Ka. Fine. So now as you see that this formic acid in this reaction, this formic acid is having pK of 3.8 and this HF is having pK of 3.2. So as this formic acid has higher pK value, which means it will be less acidic, it will not easily lose its proton and give this proton to this Kf. So this formic acid will be less acidic. So let us write the reaction here also. Like we have this K plus F minus plus this formic acid, and here we have potassium formate like this plus HF. Fine. So this is less acidic. So if it is this less acidic, we know that if the acid is weak, its conjugate base is strong. So this is a conjugate base, this potassium formate is a conjugate base of this formic acid, so it will be, you can say, strong conjugate base. Strong conjugate base. On the other hand, if we see this HF, so this HF was having less pK value, which means it will be more acidic. So this HF is more acidic. Fine. Which means its conjugate base, that is this Kf, it will be less, or you can say a weak conjugate base. So as we know that there is equilibrium attained in this reaction, and the reaction in which equilibrium is there, the reaction favors towards the, you can say, weak acid and weak base. So this reaction will be favored towards this reactants, that is Kf and formic acid. So reaction will shift to the left side, that is towards this reactant side. So now let us consider these options which are given here. First is formic acid is the strongest Bronsted acid in the reaction. So what is Bronsted acid? Those acids which have the capability to easily lose the H+. So as this formic acid, it was having the higher pK value and it is less acidic. So first is wrong. This A statement is wrong. Second, HF is the strongest Bronsted acid in the reaction. Yes, this HF was having the lower pK value and it was the more acidic. So this B option is correct. Third, Kf is the strongest Bronsted base in the reaction. This Kf, no, the Kf was the weak conjugate base. So it is not the strongest Bronsted base, you can say. So C option is correct. Sorry, C is incorrect. D is this C double bond OH is the strongest Bronsted base in the reaction. Yes, this is correct. This because this acid was weak, so its conjugate base was strong. So this D option is correct. Then E, the equilibrium favors the reactants. Yes, equilibrium surely favors the reactants because equilibrium shifts to the weak acid and base formation. F option, the equilibrium favors the products. No, it is false. So F is incorrect. G, formic acid has a weaker conjugate base. No, this because formic acid itself was the less acidic, so its conjugate base was strong. So G option is incorrect. HF has a weaker conjugate base. Yes, because HF itself is a more acidic, so its conjugate base will be a weak base. So we have B, D, E and H are the options which are the correct for this question. So D will be the correct answer. B, D, E and H. Is this clear?